He's speaking to a room of 3 or an arena of 3,000. He is a brilliant with a great...
Now look, I gotta tell you a little secret, but I don't want y'all to tell it to everybody in Chicago.
We've got Lakeview and Lakeland Park. We've got the 9th district out of by the Russell Village called Rise Up, Eyes Up, Wise Up. Down in Evanston, which moves all over the suburbs, which moves all over the state. We also have an organization that gives information about getting in touch with them. All right, why are we here? We are here to get in the street and demand that we're here. I want to hear you make some noise. I did not meet with the Russians. It's a lie. I want to shout out to some of our partners today. Local partners, we've got the ACLU of Illinois. We've got Planned Parenthood of Illinois. Happy to welcome the Fight for 15 folks to our team. That's exceptional. Thank you so much. Okay, we're going to bring to start it all off. I want to invite Lenny up to the stage, who's going to introduce Congresswoman Schakowsky. Lenny?
Committees and is a member of the Congressional Progressive Caucus. Most importantly,
we're going to find facts, we're going to find science, we're going to find the truth. Please help us. You're great. Thank you.